I done came to y'all with the slate. When y'all watch this video, you know, just a little heads up. This is my first time doing this hairstyle. I'm really not good with baby hairs. I'm really not. I suck at baby hairs. So I tried to do the original look for this hair was supposed to be finger waves. I could not finger wave, y'all, for the life of me. So I just did a quick date night slay, you guys. Date night slay. And basically it's a tutorial. I mean, it's not, I mean, y'all can just watch it for fun. I wouldn't even consider it a tutorial. You can try it if you want to. I encourage you guys to try this on you. It was a fail for the finger waves, but it was a slay for the slicked back look. If you're gonna go on a date night, I definitely recommend the slick back look on one of your older bobs. Just a refurbish for one of your bobs, guys. What I basically did in this whole video was I took my old wig. This is an old wig of mine that I wore for work, and I basically revamped it. I took it, I washed it and everything, redid the whole baby hairs and everything. Now I didn't do a full install like with the whole cap and, you know, the fitted cap and do it all the way to your ears or whatever and attach and cut the holes. I didn't do all of that. I just did a quick slay, you guys, for a date night look. I just wanted to give y'all a little slay and see if I could actually do it, and I feel like I did a damn good job. And by the way, I don't wear makeup. This is no filter. This is my skin with no filters, y'all. Just lashes and lip gloss. I'm a natural girl. And I know I messed up this lash, but y'all get the look. So let's get into this video, you guys.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your